Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video, I will explain how to create a parents module. Last few video, we did like a students modules, how to create a add, edit, deletes with all the information, all the fields we have filled up. So today we can continue parents module. So let's create a one menu here like a parent, and we have already did types inside our database schools.com. Let's open schools.com. So you can go to users. So you can see it here, like one is admin, two means teacher, three means student, fourth means parents. So let's create a parents now, and I already write some information about parents. So first name, last name, gender, phone, occupations, profile pic, address, email, password, and data. We can ask for parents all is required fields, so we can ask everything without these ones. Okay, so let's create one menu in left sides parents, and parent inside we can make a add, edit, and deletes, and also we make a filter. Let's make very quick, otherwise we can create some videos for this one, like add video, edit and delete another, and listing and searching another. So let's make a one by one. Okay, so go to resources, views inside you can go is layouts, inside you can go to adders, inside you need to just create another menu parents. We can create admin students, after we can create a new menu parents. I think parent students list, so parent, and also you can make parents. Let's go back and refresh the page. So you can see it parent. So we all type here menu fourth parent. Okay, let's search in Google so we know is the words is right or not right. It's perfect. So let's create routes for the parents. So just go to your routes inside web.php and go back, go down, and you can see it here. So just make here parents module, and just copy all, not copy, one by one we can do. So just copy first one. Here is a particular students to parents, and here make parent controllers. So let's open your code and open your terminal. You can create a PHP artisan, make a controller, parent controller. So let's copy and put here. Taking some few seconds. Okay, control successfully created. Let's declare above. Now you can go to app inside to go HTTP controller, inside you can see it parent controller. Okay, let's go to student controller and just copy list function. I just go back and copy. Let's just change to parent here. Okay, now you can get parents. So users controller means user model we need to declare, so just go back and copy all things like we need it. So we can use, although we don't need, so we can do class model we don't need, so I will remove. Okay, now just here change to parent list. Let's go to admins, resources inside admins inside we can create a new folders, parents inside you need to do list.blade.php. Let's go to admin inside you can go to list and you can copy. Okay, and we can change to, we can change all the fields, but first of all we need to create a function about the get reference. So users controller inside go, means user model inside you can go, get admin you can copy, so get parents, just copy and put here user type is equal to for, you can type, and filter now I can remove after I can do filter. Okay, so data is getting here, and this record also getting inside parents, inside list. Okay, let's refresh the page and checks. Okay, I refresh the page, I go to parents, so you can see it admin list, but we need to change to parents. Okay, so I go back and I change parent. Here also change because filtering, I don't remove the filtering because filtering we need it. Okay, search parents, add new parents, and parent list. Okay, I think let's refresh the page and checks. Okay, everything is good, and here also one showing the one record for parent. And let's make a edit and delete also shows. So just need to parents. Let's go up and show you all the code carefully. You can see it here like parent list, add new parents, so just change to parent adds. Okay, routes, search parents. Here you can see the parent list. Inside name, emails, we can add more fields like names. After we can do it like gender, phone. So you can do genders, phone, and occupations. After profile pic, address, and email and password status. So let's go to student list and we can copy some part. Profile pic, email we need first, so just put here. Okay, I just remove the address we need, just remove the email here, and let's add some status. So we need a status also, so I put here status. Okay, now I can go to back again and I copy all things and I can put here. Okay, name, email, last name also there, profile email also right, gender also we can make it here because we already there gender, so gender we can make here. Okay, after this is the column we need to add inside database occupations, so just go to users, go to structures, and you can create this column after wait. Okay, where case 2559. This is the column created, and I copy these column names and I can put here after phone number set, so we can add a phone number also. So let's see what's the phone number, mobile number. So let's change to phone to mobile number because we don't want to mix up. Okay, now we can go address, so we need to add another field for address. So let's go back again, and address field also creates. I create address fields, so address field also created done. Now we need a status, so just go back and copy the status and put here. Okay, let's go back and refresh, so you can see it here, profile pic and other informations. Okay, now we can make a search filter inside. We need to make more, but let's first create like a add new parents. So let's create a for this routes. So let's close everything we don't need now. Header we don't need, web we need, user we don't need, this is also no need. Let's close, so code is clean, so you can easily understand. Let's copy both of you, add. So just put here like parents adds, and here you can change to parents. Now we need to create two functions. Add, first create an add, and after we can create an insert. So just go to back student controllers and you can copy add and put here. Okay, so you can see it, a get class, we don't need get class, just you can type add new parents, and here you can change to student to parents, and need to create a new file inside parents. So just go to folders and play.php. Now go to student add files and copy and paste here. So do you want to how to create for all things? So please check our previous videos so you can understand how we can do it, because I will explain everything here. So this video is going to be very big, so please read, means please watch old video. Okay, let's refresh the files. I click on the add new parents. Yeah, I also saves. Let's see, some define get class. Let's save and refresh, because I have not saved this reason, I think so. Okay, just change to add new parents. Okay, first name last name we need. After we need a gender. Okay, admission number we don't need. Remove gender we need. Date of birth we don't need. And we can change to caste to occupation. So just copy and we can put here. After adding the small letters. Okay, let's make it small. Okay, mobile number we need. So mobile admission date we don't need. Profile pic we also need. So okay, blood group we don't need. Height, weight, and status we need. So just remove and refresh the page. So you can see it like first name, last name, genders, occupations, mobile numbers, profile pics, status, emails, passwords. Okay, now I will click on the submit button. So we need to store all the information in a database. After we need to show here, but we have already done listing code, so automatic scene. So let's create a insert function to database. So I already created routes like a admin slash parent slash add. So let's create an insert functions. Just back and create insert function. Here is the request. Okay, now go to student controller and copy insert one. So just copy all things and put here. Okay, profile pic code we need. Date of birth code we don't need, just remove. Admission code we don't need, just remove. And here user type is equal to 4 you can set up. We don't need. Mobile number we need, so just leave the mobile number. This one no need, this one also no need. Class ID, roll number, admission number we don't need, just remove. Now we need to add another column, occupations. So just go back, copy. We also need to make an address fields we have not made. So gender, and also you can make it address field. So let's make a, after mobile number we can make an address. And also we make a required. So make stars and we put here required. Let's go back and refresh the page. So you can see it, address fields and mobile number. Okay, I think mobile number also make a required, because parents mobile number always need, because we need to call him. Your students doing like this everything, so we need a parents mobile number. So let's refresh and check is the required. Okay, now it's perfect. Now go back to parent controller and we can add another column here, address ADDREHS. Okay, so we can make a like weight we don't need a validation, mobile number we need a validation. Let's make 255 and occupation also make 255. Other one we don't need, just remove. Okay, I think validation also working very well. Let's now test and checks, and we can change to message parent successfully created, and also we can redirect to parent list. Okay, and user type we have set false. So I think now it's clear. Let's go back. This is the page. I select the autofills, so you can see it autofills like mobile number I can set like this, and active, and a profile pic I can choose anything. So let's go, and I can choose this man. Click on the submit. So let's see. So parent successfully created. Also you can see name, email, gender, mobile number, occupations, address, status, and created dates. Okay, so let's make now edit and delete. So and pagination also there, because you can see it here, like we already did get parents inside, you can go, so it's a pagination there. Okay, so let's go to back and create a edit route. So let's go to, we can close the list, means we can close the add.blade.php. Now I can go back again and we can create a two routes, edit and delete. So let's make a first edit. So just copy and put here, and just parent, and here you can change the controller name. Okay, now we need to create a edit file, means edit function. So let's go to student controller and just copy to edit one. So I just go to and I copy, and I just change the name student to parents. Okay, now I will create a edit file inside parent, blade.php, and also I add file, I will copy to edit. So just make here edit parents. Okay, and after I will make a autofill, means all the records I can show here. So let's create a one file, get singles also there, class model we don't need, so just remove, and let's edit parents and let's refresh the page. Okay, I will refresh the page, and after I click on the edit, so you can see form is perfect, no issue. Let's fill all the data here. So here we have to find the data, get records. So just go back, and here you can make comma, and you can put every data here, name, last name. Let's make a copy, last name. Okay, I will make gender last. So we know we already done, so just make like this, and you can put here gender and gender. Okay, now also you can put it like this. Also you can put mobile numbers, and your address, profile pic. Just go to student inside edit and copy the profile pic code and put here, like simple. This is just copy and put here. So you can see whatever profile you uploaded, you can see it here. Okay, now address is done, so let's go down, and also you can make status. So status. Okay, so now the email also need to do, so just make a copy and put here, so you can email, and password is not required now because you need to change, so you can change. So here you can make text and remove the required fields and write a message, do you want to change? So please add a new password. Okay, let's go back to websites and refresh the page, because everything is clear and clean, you can see it. Okay, I go back websites, I refresh the page, so you can see it automatic all the fill up data. Okay, now we need to create an update and just submit to update, we can change. So now we can go web.php file, inside create update functions. So just go back here, update, here you can pass the ID and request $request. Let's copy all above, otherwise you can go and check student controller. So let's go to student controller, and I go down and I copy all things to update. So parents inside I put here, and we need just this is the validation, we can change here, so we can change these validations. Okay, now also is the get single ID wise there, so let's go up and change this data. Okay, and put years, and here you can make an unlinked file, whatever old one uploaded, this is the need to remove, so you can put years And now we need to remove the date of birth. Everything need to remove, we don't need. Just password you can leave it. So you can see it here: name, last name, gender, question, address, profile pics, mobile number, status, emails, and just remove this one, no need. And password, suppose you need to change the password, so you can change. Okay, now just change to parent, and here you can type parent successfully updated, so you can see it properly here. Okay, let's try to update. Okay, I changed to 1, I changed to last name also once, and I can change to females, male to females, address active to actives, and password we don't need to change. So let's click on the update functions. So you can see it update working very well. Okay, now update is working very well, and edit also working very well. Means update edit same. Okay, you can see it, parents successfully updated. Let's make a now delete function. So we need to create a delete routes. So just go back and just copy and put bottom, and just change to student to parent delete, and you can put here student controller name, parent controller inside delete function. So let's go to students and just copy and put here, and you can change to name student to parent successfully deleted. Okay, I refresh now. I click on the button delete, so you can see it, parent successfully deleted. So let's go to here, and I can show you. So you can see parent successfully deleted. Let's make 0, so it's back record again, because we are maintaining tables. So you can see it here. Now let's make a filter. So add, edit, delete done. So let's make a filter. Also pagination is showing here. So let's make a filter, and this module also done. After we can make here is a one button, assign students. So you can add a assign student, and we student inside we make all one button, assigns parents. So you can assign parents here. Okay, so let's try to create a filter now. Name, first name, last names, and we can copy to student filter, so we can do it easily. So I go up and I copy all things, and I go back again to list, and I close, go to list, and I can change to parent, search parent. Okay, let's save and refresh the page, so you can see all the information there, but we need to remove some. We don't need admission number, we don't need roll number, so let's remove. We don't need a class, gender, caste. Okay, we need to add 2 fields more, add. So occupations, we just make O is small, and also we need to put like address. So let's make the address fields also, and here we can change to address. Mobile number we need, blood group we don't need, so just remove. Status we need, admission date we don't need, and credit date is good. So let's change to routes parent. You can see it. Let's save and refresh. So you can see it like name, last name, email, gender, occupations, and address, mobile number, status, and credit dates, and search and resets. Okay, let's make now search filters. So let's go back to parent controllers. Parent controller inside you need to go to your get parents functions, and just you can go down and just copy student filtration. Means student, we edit student inside filter. This one you will copy and put here. So just remove some one. Date, admission date we don't need, you can remove. Blood group we don't need, remove. This is the also don't need, remove. Class, roll number, admission number we don't need. Okay, so now we need to add another 2 more, occupation and address. So let's add now. Just copy mobile number and put bottom. So let's go to address to address, and also we can make occupations. So just copy occupations, I think now it's clear. You can see it, all the filter we have made with conditions. So let's refresh the page, resets, and I make a like female search. So we can check. Oh, we have found the data in female because this is the matching. So we don't need a like query inside gender. We just make a like a equal to because we have fixed. Also, this is the issue sort out inside student side. So just go back and put here. Let's refresh the page now. So you can see no data found. Okay, I can choose the female. So you can see it's one record found. Suppose I can search. Let's add another record so you can easily understand. And I submit now. So mobile number at least 8 characters is showing the validation. Okay, so let's make, and here we can make 1 2 3 4 5 6 and submit. So you can see 2 students there. So let's search this address here. Means 2 parents there. Let's search this parent. So you can see it only 1 parent found. So is the filter working very well, no issues. So I can search here parent. So you can see it only 1 record found. So filtering also we can search the date, like today date we will add 2 records. So just search today dates and click on the search button. So you can see it 2 records found here. So I think the parent module done, but we can add a 2, means here we can add a 1 button, and student side also we can add a buttons, and parent side also we need to add a button like assign students and assign parents. Once you click on the assign students, so we need to open the pop-up and you need to choose the students, which student do you need to add. But I think it's a great idea, and we can using here like a new pages. Otherwise we think we need to use like models, so we can use model, but I think we can do is like new page wise. So here we have done like a search, parent list, add, edit and delete about the parent module. Now I can create a new videos for assigning students and parents. I hope do you want to like this video, so please like. Do you want to watch more like this video, so please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.